There are endless amazing skills out there on GitHub, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to install any of them into Claude, no code needed. If you've ever found a skill you wanted but had no idea how to actually get it in, this is for you. So let's say I found a skill I want to install in my Claude cowork and I'm here in GitHub. So in short, GitHub is basically a website where developers around the world store and share their code projects. Think of it like a giant public library for code. For us, what matters is that a lot of the best Claude skills out there live on GitHub, free to download and use. Also, later I'll show you a whole library full of them, but first let me show you the basics of what you're looking at here. This is the person who uploaded his code to GitHub, this is his profile, and this is the repository for this specific skill. On this page, you have all the information about the code this person published on GitHub. You can see all the code files, but honestly, if you're not technical and you don't understand code like me, none of that really matters. What matters is that you can read a little bit about the skill, what it's about, and everything about it. This specific skill I want to install is an AI agent that researches any topic across Reddit, X, YouTube, and more, then synthesizes everything and give me a summary. So for any topic I want, I can use this skill to research it online. Now to install the skill, I'll click here on code and download this zip to my computer. Then I'll go to where the zip is, open this folder, and I have all these files inside. What I need to do is click and open this skills folder. I'll see the specific skill I want to install, then all I need is this one file. When you see skill.md, that's the file you need to give to Claude. It's basically a text file, it just has all the information Claude needs to do the task you want him to do. Now I'll go to Claude, to my desktop app, and make sure I'm in the Cowork tab. Then I'll go to Customize and choose Skills up here. Here, I can see all the skills already installed in my Claude Cowork app. I'll click on the plus, then Create Skill, and choose Upload Skill. Let me just drop this skill file right here, and the skill is uploaded. Now I can use it in my account. I can just ask Claude to research what people actually say about any topic, and it will search for me. So let me copy this. I'll go back and start a new task, which means a new conversation. And let's ask Claude to research what people actually say about Tesla, for example. Then I'll see it run the new skill I just installed. It says it's using the last 30 days skill, which is exactly what I wanted. And it starts to write up what it learned from the search and brings me all that information. Now, this is a library of different skills. It's called skills.sh. This is basically an open searchable directory of skills for AI agents like Claude, ranked by popularity and linked to their GitHub repository. I can go down here and search for the skill I need. So let's search for marketing, for example. And here I can get a lot of different marketing skills. Let's just randomly pick this one, marketing psychology. Here I find different information about this skill, how many people installed it, the link to the repository, plus information it pulls from GitHub and a summary of what the skill is about. You can even learn how to use the skill right here. Now, let me go to the GitHub link and show you what you can do if you want to install multiple skills at once. You see, I can click here on skills and I'll see the list of the different skills in this package of marketing skills. So let's say I want to install all of them at once. Let me show you how. Instead of going down here and downloading the zip, I'll copy this link just like that. Then I'll go back to Claude Cowork. I will click on Customize. This time, instead of going to Skills, I will click on the plus sign, and under Personal Plugin, I will choose Create Plugin. Then choose Add Marketplace, and now I will paste in the URL I just copied. I choose it and click Sync. And now I can choose to add this marketing skills library with all its different skills to my Claude Cowork. I will hit plus, Now I can see those skills right here. I can browse through the different skills I installed and trigger them in a new Claude Cowork task. And honestly, this is just the start. Next, I want to show you how Claude can actually design for you. Watch it right here.